Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a guide for beginners on flipping mobile homes. These are not your typical real estate investment projects, and we're about to uncover why. Stick around as we discuss what flip mobile homes are, the opportunities they offer, and how you can get started. So, what exactly are flip mobile homes? Well, they are a niche within the real estate market, involving the purchase, renovation, and resale of mobile homes. Unlike traditional houses, mobile homes are built in factories and transported to a site. But that's not all. They offer unique advantages that can make them a great investment option. Why choose flip mobile homes? Let's explore some of the advantages. 1. Lower initial investment. Compared to traditional real estate, mobile homes are typically more affordable to purchase, making them an excellent entry point for new investors. 2. Faster turnaround. Renovations on mobile homes can often be completed more quickly than those on traditional homes, allowing for faster resale and profits. 3. Strong demand. There's a high demand for affordable housing, and mobile homes cater to this market segment, ensuring a steady flow of potential buyers. 4. Location flexibility. Mobile homes can be placed in various communities, providing investors with flexibility in selecting their investment locations. Now, let's take a look at the step-by-step process of flipping mobile homes. 1. Research. Start by researching your local market. Understand the demand and supply for mobile homes and identify potential investment opportunities. 2. Acquisition. Purchase a mobile home at a competitive price. This is where your negotiation skills come in handy. 3. Renovation. Time to get your hands dirty. Renovate the mobile home to enhance its value. Focus on the essentials like the kitchen, bathroom, flooring, and the overall aesthetic. 4. Compliance. Ensure your mobile home complies with local regulations and codes. This is crucial for a smooth resale process. 5. Listing. List your renovated mobile home on various platforms, both online and offline, to attract potential buyers. 6. Negotiation and sale. Work with real estate agents if necessary, negotiate with buyers, and close the deal. To succeed in the world of flip mobile homes, keep these tips in mind. 1. Budget wisely. Stick to your renovation budget and don't overspend. The goal is to maximize your ROI. 2. Marketing matters. Invest in quality marketing to attract potential buyers. High-quality photos and compelling descriptions can make a significant difference. 3. Network. Build a network of real estate professionals, contractors, and investors to get insights, advice, and potential partnerships. As you reach the final stages, remember to stay organized, keep an eye on the market, and be patient. Mobile home flipping can be a rewarding journey. Thank you for joining us on this guide to flipping mobile homes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips and guides. See you in the next video.